Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. In this video, you will see the video recording of Nothing Phone 1. First, go to the camera in your phone, and here I keep on video mode and it's back camera and I record. Okay, as I am recording in night time, in this light situation, this is somewhat better than other makes. It's okay, but you cannot expect the quality of DSLR camera or professional video camera. Only it will works up to the limit of the smartphone. Okay, no camera will able to compete with DSLR or other professional cameras. Don't expect too much. Even iPhone or Samsung higher end model like S series cannot have with cannot have those quality with professional camera. Okay, if you are really want to have a professional like camera, then don't purchase smartphone camera, use professional camera. Okay, I stop the video and I play it now. Okay, as I am recording in night time, in this light situation, and I put auto rotate to see the video. Okay, as I am recording in night time, in this light situation, this is somewhat better than other makes. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.